You pretend to be still, but really you're dancing. I swear I can see out of the corners of my eyes red giants doing yoga in the park at night. From a blanket of stars to a blanket of sun, both are hanging a million miles long. Red rock ocean holding up blue sky. I feel more space in my heart and mind. In my heart and mind. I won't forget to remember Moab in November. I tell you right now how to lasso hope.
Hey, what's that?
Go where the cottonwood trees have all turned yellow.
Hey.
Shining like 1,000 suns in the light, where the ancient ones come back to life. I'm coming back to life. So much life here in the desert, in Moab in November. Put aside my questions and listen a little more to the red rock mountains, sing a prayer in Navajo.